Thinking of starting a business in 2025, but not sure what's worth your time? These 7 ideas blend cutting-edge trends with real opportunity, and they're ready to explode. From AI content services to vertical farms for restaurants, the game is changing. And the next wave of entrepreneurs are already building. Welcome to Empowered Trends, where we turn future vision into today's moves. Hit that subscribe button and let's build forward, boldly. You don't need to build the next ChatGPT, you just need to use it smarter. AI-powered microservices, think resume revamps, pitch deck designs, marketing plans, are exploding. Set up a streamlined offer, automate it with AI tools, and deliver high-value results fast. Low overhead, high demand, genius. Forget NFTs hype. We're talking about practical digital goods. Creators are launching virtual clothing, collectible loyalty tokens, even skins for avatars. If you can design or curate, you can sell. This market is young, but growing fast. Local AI-powered agencies. Every small business wants AI, but they don't know where to start. That's where you come in. An AI-powered local agency offering services like social media automation, customer support bots, or smart ad targeting. It's consulting meets execution, with tools doing most of the work. Niche subscription boxes. Curation is king. Think monthly boxes for specific communities, eco-warriors, anime fans, plant moms, DIY dads. Partner with local artisans or dropship globally. It's about delighting a tribe with something they can't get anywhere else. Hyperlocal delivery for side hustlers. Think beyond Uber Eats. There's a growing market for hyper-niche, hyperlocal delivery baked goods, flower drops, cultural grocery boxes. Use community networks and low-cost delivery models. You become the local link between craving and satisfaction. AI video editing and repurposing studio. Creators are drowning in content. Start a repurposing studio powered by AI. Clip long videos into shorts, auto-caption, reformat for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Fast, automated, valuable. Everyone wants more content. You provide it without burnout. Smart vending and kiosk startups. Vending is getting an upgrade. From luxury coffee robots to remote skincare kiosks, smart machines are a passive income stream in disguise. Pick a high-traffic spot, load up, and let tech handle the rest. The future isn't waiting. Whether it's AI microservices or vending tech, the path to success in 2025 is about speed, smarts, and service. Which idea will you run with? Drop it in the comments and let's build together. And hey, if you found even one idea inspiring, smash that like button, share with a future founder, and subscribe to Empowered Trends for more big moves every week.